Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV, and I'm here with Matt Smallbone. We wanted to give you a sneak peek of the all-new 326 rear living RL model of the Milestone. What is Milestone?
It's a luxury fifth wheel, but it's priced very aggressively. All these amenities and what you consider options are actually built into the price. First thing is going to be our painted front cap. The benefit to having a paint on your front cap is that's going to be the area that takes the most beating. And if you have the decals up front, those are going to wear away a lot quicker. This Rota-Flex Hitch actually has a gusset in it. It's a lot smoother stopping, a lot smoother towability. This is our automatic leveling system. We have had it as an option in the past, but now it is built into the price.
There's a lot of room here in this pass-through storage.
You do have a very strong membrane in here too, so if you're throwing in your kayaks or your bikes or your fishing gear, you don't have to worry about it getting scratched up. It is heated. Also, there is power capability right there, as well as cable access.
So you can have a TV mounted here.
Correct. We have used MORryde steps in the past. These are their upgraded ones.
It's going to be ideal for those camp spots that don't have an even ground.
It's just an easy adjust, real quick, get you camping. Also, this is removable. So if you wanted to take it out, create a deck, it's real easy to do. This is an extendable electric awning, and it's an adjustable arm as well, so you don't have to have that flat roof. If you want to have one bent down, so it's more of a system that allows water to come off, real easy to do. A lot of customers were requesting this ladder, but it is a fully walkable roof. If you need to get up there to take out some sticks or something, it's very accessible. Another new feature is going to be our receiver hitch. If you want to tow some smaller things, if you want to put a bike rack on there, real easy to do.
In the rear living, what are the customers going to be most excited about?
The first thing that my eyes are drawn to are these massive windows. That allows for natural lighting to come in during the daytime, and these MCD shades are brand new. Up high, you can see this massive storage, more of a modern feel with this white cabinets. This is a solid surface countertop built for cooking on. Single basin sink, so it'll fit your larger pans. Another huge feature is we went to a larger microwave, more storage up top and then storage below. So deep of a pantry here. This is actually our biggest pantry on any of our floor plans. Another huge feature in our kitchen is going to be this 14 cubic foot refrigerator. So that rivals stuff that people have at their homes. So on your left side here, you have an integrated wine cooler.
Where are all of the switches?
We moved to the X1 system. It's a real easy center hub to run your awnings, your slide outs, your lights, and even your jacks. Just a touchscreen, there's your awning right there, run it in and out, no problem.
This is a 60 by 80 queen bed. Storage right here at the foot of the bed, location to hang a TV. I can walk around the bed.
I love that you pointed out the room around the bed. One thing that we want to focus on is when someone's getting dressed, you don't want to be all cramped trying to put on clothes. You do have a huge bedside table there as well. You have a large mirror for when you are getting ready, and then also this whole area is open with a rack to hang all of your clothes.
Now what are all customers going to see when they open this door?
So this is a huge feature, washer dryer prep. Very large area that overlaps with this inside area, so more storage if you don't want to put a washer dryer in there, but it does come prepped standard.
It was great to take a look at the all-new 326 RL. If you have more questions, find the dealer nearest you and go to heartlandrvs.com. Thank you so much, Matt.